Hello guys, welcome. In this session actually we are going to see how to install Apache HTTP server in Linux and Ubuntu machines from the source. So first step what we need to do is we just need to download the source from Apache HTTP site. So just I want the tar zip version of it. So I'm copying the link location so that I can download it from Linux using wget command. So this is a bit slow, so just I'm going to skip over it. Okay guys, the download is completed. Now we can go ahead and we can proceed with the remaining steps. What I can do is we can just go to this particular 2.2 documentation and we can just go to this compiling and installation section, and just you can follow the steps mentioned. First you need to download, and after that you need to extract. After that you can just run this configure step, and just you can compile and I can install, and you can open this HTTP config file, which is a heart of web server, that is HTTP server of Apache, and just you can just test it using this particular command. Okay, I'll just unzip it. I'm going to use star command to unzip it. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to run this configure command. No, I just need to navigate inside it. Okay, so I'm just good to go, but I need to define the prefix. What does prefix means? The prefix must be replaced with the file system path under which the server should be installed. So I just want to install inside my optional mount path. So I'm just going to create one. So I already have OPT, but under that I have nothing. So I'm just going to create one directory to install my Apache HTTP server. I'm just naming it as an Apache HTTP server. Okay, sorry. So I need to run it. Okay, run sage on command. I want this folder need to be owned by zero user. Okay, I think it's done. Just you can verify the ownership of this output. Okay, can just verify the ownership of the mount path. So this is owned by Thiru now. Okay, so I think now we are good to create the directory. Yeah, it's done. So now we can run this configure command. Sorry. Okay. PT patch. Okay. Just give enter. It will run through the list of steps and just make sure whether you satisfy all this requirement mentioned. First, just verify the disk space. After that, you need to have the ANSI compiler, because Apache HTTP server is written C. It's need to build using C compiler. So you need this GCC compiler, and I think this accurate timekeeping also important using network time protocol, and Perl file. This is optional, just leave it. And we needed this APR util. If you don't have APR util, then just you can download, or just you can use the one which is bundled with Apache HTTP server. Okay, so this is going to take a while, so just I'm going to skip over this. Okay guys, so the configuration part is completed. Okay, the configuration part is completed, but just we need to now do the compilation using make command, which is similar to something like in Java. You will do using ant we will do the compilation of Java classes, and Maven is used nowadays. Similar to it, make is also used to compile the list of C++ files. Okay, just run this make command inside this directory, and this is going to run for around more than 1 to 2 minutes. So it's unnecessary, so I'm going to skip over it. Okay guys, so the compilation part is completed. Now we need to install the HTTP server. Just verify your home directory. There is nothing inside it because it didn't run the install command yet. Just give make and just run install. So it will generate the required configuration files and models inside the particular stack which is specified in this prefix section. I think that's it. We're done with all the steps. Just we can go ahead and we can just start our server. Just check, yeah, start. Okay. So first, just I'm going to start the server. Just I'm going to navigate inside it first. Okay. So I have some directory structure here. I have my binaries, my configurations, my error files, my icons, my logs, my CGI bin scripts, and the required models, libraries, manual section, HTTP doc sections. Okay, so many things I have. But just now I'm interested only in this binary. So I'm just going to navigate inside it. I have Apache CTL over there, and I'm going to give start. Okay, so what is the issue you are getting? While installing Apache HTTP server, you may end up facing these two issues particularly. First one is could not reliably determine the server's fully qualified domain name. This is due to the server name directory which is commented out in the config file. Just we'll open it out. Conf and just open HTTP conf file. Just search for server name in it. See, so here in this server name is commented out. Okay, you can just enable it. Okay. I have some issues with my VA editor. Okay, so just I'm going to give localhost. Okay, give enter. Now try to start the server again. Okay, this error is gone, but now we are getting a different error. Could not bind address 8080. You need to understand, to use 80 port you need to be a root user or root privileged user. So actually I am a normal user. Who am I? I'm just normal user. So in order to use it, you need to be a root user. So I'm not going to use that 80 port. I'm just going to use a different port. Okay, just look for the listening directory in a conf file. Yeah, just change this from 80 to 8080. Just try the same now. Here I think it works. How you can check it? Just you can go here and just type 127.0.0.0 and 8080. Yeah, it works. You can even access this from outside. I'm actually doing all this in virtual machine. I'm just going to access this web server from the real machine. I know the IP of the virtual machine. This is 168.56.102 and the port number is 8080. So it works from everywhere. That's it guys. This is how we need to install, configure and start the server. Even you can just stop the server. You can just learn it. Stop. Okay, stop. And if you given nothing, then you will get the help section. Here you can just specify start, restart, graceful shutdown, stop, something like that. Okay, that's it guys. That's it for the session. We covered all this step and everything seems to be working fine. Just you can go to this beautiful documentation provided by Apache Tomcat and you can just get to know about everything. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next session. Bye.